Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bumblebee themed cupcakes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of Pillsbury funfetti cake mix, bumblebee sprinkle mix, also 1 tub of Pillsbury funfetti yellow vanilla frosting. I also have white vanilla flavored candy wafers for melting and yellow food coloring. I'm going to be making honeycombs out of that. And also I have a bag of bumblebee marshmallows. We're going to be following the instructions on the back of the box. So for our cake mix, we're going to need 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. In a large bowl, I'm going to add my cake mix. As you can see, this cake mix has candy sprinkles in it. So next we're going to add in our eggs. Our vegetable oil. And our water. With a hand mixer, we're going to go ahead and beat our cake batter for 2 minutes on medium speed. Once you're done with your cake batter, you're going to get your cupcake pans. Now I'm going to be spraying mine with Baker's Joy, and I'm not using any cupcake liners. I'll show you why after the cupcakes are done baking. Once you spread your cupcake pan, now we're going to fill it up with our batter. Now our cupcakes are ready to go into our oven at 350 degrees for 19 to 23 minutes. Okay guys, our cupcakes are done, so I'm going to let them cool off for about 15 minutes before I remove them from the pan. Okay, now I have our vanilla candy melting wafers and some yellow food coloring. And as you can see, I have a silicone mold. It has bees and honeycombs in it. So what I'm going to do now is melt my candy wafers in the microwave. Okay, I have my candy wafers in the microwave, and we're just going to microwave them for 50 to 60 seconds. Okay, so my candy wafers are melted. I'm going to add some yellow food coloring in. And we're just going to mix that around. Now what I'm going to do is pour it into my silicone mold. Once it's in your silicone mold, you just want to try to make sure it's all the way out to the edges, the candy in each one. And then make too many of them. Now all I'm going to do is put it in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes until it gets hard. Okay, next I'm going to open our bumblebee marshmallows. I'm just going to put a toothpick through the bottom of them so they can stick into our cupcakes. Okay guys, in this bowl I had put my bumblebee sprinkle mix, and the little bumblebees are edible wafers. I think they're so cute. Now that the candy wafers have hardened up, I'm going to just go ahead and pop them out of the silicone mold. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you what they look like. I think they're so cute. And then we have bees over here. Okay guys, now I have flower cups. They're liners, which I'm going to put the cupcakes into. I didn't want the cupcakes to cook in them because then they would have got greasy. So we're just going to go ahead and set our cupcakes inside. Okay guys, look how pretty they are. Now I'm going to fill my piping bag with my yellow vanilla frosting. I'm using a number 12 tip. Okay, now I'm just going to put the icing on top of our cupcakes. Okay, now once you have your icing on, I'm just going to grab some of these Bumblebee mix sprinkles and just sprinkle it over top. And then we're just going to take our marshmallow bumblebees and place them just like that. Okay guys, so here we have it, our bumblebee themed cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.